Hey guys, just a quick one letting you know that there will not be a Datsun video tonight. I'm not going to put you guys through another episode of sanding, but I've been sanding all day. It's getting very close. But the benefit is now that John Lemon is all finished up, it means that we can actually do 2 Datsun episodes a week, and I'm going to start really smashing into this thing. It's going to get done a lot quicker. Things are going to really start moving from here on in, particularly once we get some paint on it. So look forward to the Datsun in full paint on Tuesday. That's my goal. That's what I'm going for. So Datsun on Tuesday, and come and join us on Sunday at 11 AM Sydney time. So it's Greenwich Mean Time plus 11. There's a little link in the description that one of you guys thankfully made up for me. If you just click on that, it will show you your time zone. You just look up your country, just scroll down, you'll find your country and the time and day. Most of the world's going to be on Saturday evening somewhere. Yes, join us on Sunday for the live stream, and I'll see you on Tuesday for the Datsun vid. See you guys.